This is the 62-inch Kaiess tripod selfie stick. Here's the tripod. It comes with remote. This is battery operated, by the way. This is the main reason why I chose this tripod over all others, is because of this clamp. You know how we usually have to pry open the phone mount? This is a push. It's going to be so convenient, and look how wide that is. A GoPro mount, travel bag. You want to screw this onto here. Use a bottom dial for minor adjustments, righty-tighty. What's good about this tripod is that there are dials for everything, so you can make a truly custom angle to whatever you need in whatever situation.
I seriously love this pressing phone mount and how wide it opens up. Then use the 2 dials to adjust your device to any angle that you need.
I've heard some people saying that when the tripod is fully extended, their phone tends to do this, like instead of being straight, it kind of tilts. All you gotta do is just counter it, because it's fully customizable. Now we're gonna expand the tripod, because we gotta twist the blue ring. Now we just pull. Dang, these are some sturdy legs. Whew. Okay, so now we got a lock with this ring. This is how you're gonna collapse it. Just press down. My biggest question with this was, can this be used as a selfie stick? And unfortunately, I will have to say no. This handle is so thick that I cannot comfortably operate this with one hand. My intention was to take this snowboarding with me and get footage of myself snowboarding, but I don't have the confidence to hold this very thick base with one hand while I ride. Also, there's the issue of this mount, curving to the side when you do, so it's just not the most secure for action shots as a selfie stick, but as a tripod, very sturdy and great quality.